Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making chicken marsala. You will need 1 chicken breast, 3/4 cup of marsala wine, sweet, 1½ cups of mushrooms, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 stick of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Fillet the chicken into 2 halves, then place on plastic wrap. Cover the chicken with the plastic wrap, then using a meat mallet, lightly pound the chicken to tenderize. Season the chicken on both sides with the salt and pepper. Lightly coat your chicken with flour and make sure that your oil has reached its smoking point before placing the chicken in the pan. Allow it to cook for 2 minutes on each side. Remove the chicken and set aside for later. In the same frying pan, saute the mushrooms for 3 minutes. Now add the garlic. Pour in the wine and allow it to reduce. Season with salt and pepper, then add the chicken back to the frying pan. Add the butter and allow it to melt. Now add the heavy cream. Allow the chicken to simmer for another 3 minutes and then it is ready to serve. This chicken marsala is just as good as the chicken marsala you find in your fancy restaurants. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.